Hello YouTube, thank you for checking in. In this video I am going to unbox and review my new Wltoys 144001 electric buggy. Actually they are selling it as Wltoys, but you can see the XK brand here, so they are same company. Let's open the box. In the box you get a charger and a small cross wrench and the user manual, 2.4 GHz remote controller. Actually there is a button and it says mode, but I didn't see anything about this button in the user manual, so I'm not sure what it's doing. So the car is just 31 centimeters long and actually it is quite heavy, depends on its size. If you get one of these, you'll understand what I'm saying. So we have a huge motor here. It's really big for its size. It's a 550 brushed motor and it has a 2-in-1 brushed receiver and ESC. And they especially write on it the ESC is capable for 7.4 volts, and also on the motor it says 7.4 volts. So probably if you use a 3S LiPo battery on it, you will burn the ESC or the motor. There are some people trying 3S LiPo battery on this one and get the 60 kilometers that it says on the box, because normally with the 2S LiPo battery it gets up to 40-44 kilometers per hour. If you use a 3S LiPo battery with a high discharge rate, you can burn it. So I think the maximum discharge rate must be 20 if you are going to use a 3S LiPo battery on this one. So it comes with a 1500 milliamps 2S LiPo battery, which can powers up the car about 15 minutes. It's but you can use bigger batteries on it, because if you undo these two screws and attach this part to the screws, you have a huge space for bigger batteries, so you can have more playtime. Also we have an aluminum chassis here, that's why it's too heavy. It's really heavy. After I am going to test this, I already ordered a brushless motor for this one. I'm going to upgrade this to a brushless motor and a brushless ESC and check the high speed with the brushless setup. So but first I am going to test the top speed with this setup. Let's try to power up the car, but first we need to put the batteries into the remote controller. It requires 4 AA 1.5 volts batteries. Power on. Let's open the car. Plug in the battery, right. Let's turn on the car from here. Yes. And especially look at this servo. Lots of people saying this little buggy is at the racing level, especially with its servo. I think they are right. Look at this. So you see that? It's just run away. This thing is quite fast. Let's see. Is it proportional? Yes, it's proportional. Anyway, the shocks are very well built and we have metal shocks here and we have metal servo link also here. It's a pretty good car. I'm not sure how it's going to perform on the track, but I'm also going to try it on the track. Now let's go out and try this little thing's top speed. Hello again. Now we are outside and it's raining, so we are going to test our car. And I put the Sky RC GPS speedometer. We will see how fast it is. Let's try it. Let's see how fast it is. It is 46 kilometers per hour. Yes. Let's give one more try. Let's see what the top speed now we get. It's 47. So 47 is the highest speed that we can with this brush motor. At the moment it is really hard to control it because the ground is wet and it's always drifting. It's not reaching 60 kilometers per hour as the company claims. As I told you before, you need to upgrade it to a brushless version, so I am going to put a brushless motor and the brushless ESC on this car and we will try it later. So yesterday the ground was wet and we get the maximum speed of 47 kilometers. So with the dry ground I'm going to try the top speed test again. The Sky RC GPS speedometer is ready. Let's see. WR 144001 on the dry ground. So at first try is 49 kilometers per hour. Let's try again. $50. Okay, as you can see, çok yaklaştırma. As you can see, the top speed is 50 kilometers on the dry ground. So with a brush motor, it's awesome.